Hey folks, I got something today, and no, it is not an April Fool's joke. I thought it was a hoax because probably about a month ago, I saw this product on Instagram, and I thought, wow, that is a really great idea, but I have never seen it in a store. So today I happened to be in Randall's, and it caught in my periphery. I saw the color of the can, and I went, holy cow! It's Campbell's limited edition grilled cheese and tomato soup. Yes, grilled cheese and tomato soup together in a can. So I picked up several cans because it is a limited edition. And I have not seen it anywhere else except Randall's. So, ingredients: tomato puree, wheat flour, sugar, water. Contains less than 2% of cream, and then cheese paste. Cheese paste. Never heard of it called cheese paste. But the cheese paste contains Monterey Jack, cheddar, and surface ripened semi-soft cheese. Whey, water, salt, natural flavoring, potassium salt, citric acid, ascorbic acid, yeast extract, celery extract, and garlic extract. Seems a lot more than just your regular grilled cheese and tomato. So here's how I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to do it on the stove. They say you could either use a can of water, or to make a richer soup, use a can of milk. I'm going to be using milk because I want it to be rich. I want it to be flavorful. So here's how I'm going to make it, and then we'll give it a taste. Okay, just empty the can of grilled cheese and tomato into a pan. And I've decided to use milk. It says you can use a can of water or a can of milk for a richer soup. So I wanted the richer soup, so I'll go with milk. And then just give this a good stir. Bring it up to a simmer. You don't really want to boil this. You just want to warm it up. And after a few minutes of simmering, it's ready. And it smells really good. And then we're gonna get a ladle and pour it into one of my favorite soup cups. I love these for chili and soups. Okay. Let's go give it a taste. See how good it is. Okay, here we go. This is how I like to eat my soup at home, out of a big mug. So, smells like a cheesy tomato soup. That is really good. I like this. It definitely, you can taste the cheese in it, the cheese and the tomato. And I'm glad I went with milk because it is richer. It's nice and creamy. But yeah. Okay, now instead of a grilled cheese sandwich, got a piece of some nice country white bread. Try just dipping bread into this. Okay, that is really good with the bread. I wish I'd have picked up some little oyster crackers because that would be perfect just to pop them in there. But yeah, overall, I think this is fantastic. If you see it, give it a try. I bought 3 cans today, and I will finish them. This is going to be something great to bring into work because don't have the really hard to grill cheese at work, but you can kind of get that flavor like if you bring in a cold turkey sandwich. And in fact, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm bringing in a cold turkey sandwich with some of this. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.